this video I talk about how to use affirmations so that you get results from them. If you're interested in this topic, please carry on and watch this video. Welcome to my channel. My name's Loraine and I help people live with passion, purpose and positivity. Let's dive right into this video. How to use affirmations so that you get results. And I know I think most people know about affirmations, don't they? You know, you see them everywhere, don't you, affirmations, positive affirmations. But the key is to use these affirmations properly. I mean, very often I've had affirmations on my wall, or affirmations on my dashboard of my car, on my fridge, everywhere. But if you don't look at them and feel them, it's a waste of time, isn't it? You can say an affirmation, but it's just words coming out of your mouth. You know, you could say, all is well, well-being is mine, all is well, well-being is mine, all is well, well-being is mine. But unless you're actually feeling it, you're not harnessing the energies of the universe. You're not getting into the feeling place of it, and that's when law of attraction works. When you say something and then you're like commanding the universe. I mean, Tony Robbins will go as far as to say to do it as an incantation. I've looked up incantations, and it says casting a magic spell. And that's what it is really. You're saying an affirmation, but you're feeling magical when you're saying it, and you'll get into the feeling place of it. You know, like like I said before in my previous video, I'm a money magnet. I'm a money magnet. You've got to feel that you're a money magnet. You can't just say I'm a money magnet. I'm a money magnet. You're not harnessing the energy, are you? You know, sort of like, you know, get yourself into that feeling place. You know, money has ears and it can hear me calling. Money has ears and it can hear me calling. You know, make fun of it. Make a joke out of it. Sort of like get into the fun place of it. Money has ears and it can hear me calling. Money has ears and it can hear me calling. Money has ears and it can hear me calling. It's an incantation. It's getting that magic going. So yeah, you know, I mean, affirmations. An affirmation, we actually using affirmations every single minute of every single day. When we say an affirmation, say I am always, say for example, I am always late. I'm always late. You know, you've defined that as who you are. I'm always late. And that's an affirmation, and that will be a self-fulfilling prophecy. It's your belief, you feel it, and, you know, and then that belief comes to you, doesn't it? So you're saying affirmations all day long with your thoughts, words, actions, beliefs. But what I'm saying to you here is to make your affirmations deliberate. Make your affirmations what you want to experience. Don't let those patterns of affirmations rule your life. You know, you've got subconscious beliefs going on, and you're saying these subconscious affirmations all day long. Every time you say the word I am, you're defining your identity as what it is. You could say, I am beautiful, I am beautiful, I've got inner and outer beauty. You could go around your house doing this and look in the mirror and say, oh, I love your hair, I love your skin, you're so beautiful. And if you do that long enough, you will actually become more beautiful. I know that sounds really strange, doesn't it? But because you're feeling more beautiful, and because the law of attraction is bringing you more thoughts like it, the cells in your body are changing, the chemicals in your body are changing, so it's affecting your skin and your eyes and your hair. Your mind and your body are interconnected, you know. And once you realise this, when you make a statement, an affirmation, incantation, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. What's another thing you could say? I'm fit, strong and healthy. I'm fit, strong and healthy. I'm fit, strong and healthy. You could run around your house, run around the block and in the local park, saying it to yourself. You could say it loud if you want to. Say it loud or say it to yourself. I'm fit, strong and healthy. I'm fit, strong and healthy. I'm fit, strong and healthy. And if that's what you really want in your life, keep saying it over and over again. Say it all day long. Because this is what somebody I watch on YouTube, Jake Ducey, does. If he wants something, he'll say it over and over and over again. So the neuro pathways in your brain are changed. You know, you're not feeling sluggish anymore. You're feeling fit, strong and healthy. You're getting into the feeling place of it. You're actually being, by running around the block, or what I like doing is walking really fast. You could say it while you're walking really fast. I'm fit, strong and healthy. I'm fit, strong and healthy. I'm fit, strong and healthy. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Thank you, universe. Thank you so much for making me fit, strong and healthy. Fit, strong and healthy. Fit, strong and healthy. And like what I just said there, gratitude. Gratitude will bring you enormous things. I mean, that's another subject altogether. But when you're feeling gratitude to the universe for what it's bringing you, the universe will bring you more of that. You know, say thank you. Thank you, universe, for making me fit, strong and healthy. Thank you, universe, for bringing me abundance into my life. Thank you, universe, for giving me amazing relationships. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, you can be, do or have anything you want. Once you believe that, and then change your neuro pathways by doing affirmations over and over and over again. And it might, it shouldn't feel boring. If it's something that you really want, you will do these affirmations over and over and over again, because your mind will believe it. You know, at first you sometimes won't believe your affirmation, and that's fine. That's fine. And don't give up. A lot of people give up on their affirmation. Oh, I don't really believe it. But keep saying it, feeling it. And, you know, like the momentum of law of attraction will then take over. Like I said before, I'm fit, strong and healthy. I'm fit, strong and healthy. I'm fit, strong and healthy. I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful. My skin glows. My eyes sparkle. My skin is lovely. My figure is beautiful. You know, just do, you know, be and do and say how you want to be. And, you know, this will happen. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Affirmations are very, very, very powerful if you use them right. And if you use them right, you'll get results. So I hope this video resonated with you. If you liked it, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification, because I do daily videos now. And I hope you have a wonderful day, everybody. I will put some links down below that will help you on your path to doing more affirmations, like Asking It Is Given by Abraham Hicks and a few others by Abraham. So yeah, so much love to you, my friends. Blessings and namaste.